Are you wondering how major life events like divorce or marriage can impact your credit score? It's a valid concern, and understanding these changes is essential for maintaining healthy credit. Let's start with marriage. When you tie the knot, your credit doesn't automatically merge with your spouse's. However, joint financial decisions like opening joint accounts or co-signing loans can affect both of your credit scores. It's crucial to communicate openly about financial goals and responsibilities to avoid any surprises down the road. On the flip side, divorce can also have implications for your credit. Untangling joint accounts and debts during a divorce can be complex. Closing joint accounts or refinancing loans to remove a spouse's name may be necessary to protect your credit. Whether you're saying "I do" or navigating the complexities of divorce, proactive communication and strategic financial planning are key to safeguarding your credit health. Ready to take control of your credit journey? Reach out to us today for expert guidance and support. We're here to help you navigate life's twists and turns while keeping your credit on track. Your financial future starts now.